clever kitchen designs can work wonders for tricky spaces. Make the most of every inch of your kitchen with these clever ideas for navigating an awkward space. Don't let a compact room be a barrier to creating your dream scheme. Pretty up the compact space with well-chosen accessories that complement the scheme. Use contrasting materials for a striking look that is sure to turn heads. Be adaptable with your design to create a fun, inspirational layout. When space is at a premium, make use of stylish freestanding furniture. They can be moved in, around and out when needed, making for maximum versatility. Also, opt for a multifunctional worktop that can double up as a breakfast bar or a prep surface. Tuck stools neatly underneath when not in use to free up floor space. Think about handleless designs for a fuss-free family kitchen. Integrate your appliances behind cupboard doors to achieve a non-kitchen feel in an open plan space.